Hello everyone, my name is Kevin at Myrtle Beach Automotive. So today we want to talk about something that every BMW has on them, and you might not know that it's there. Alright, to show you guys this hidden feature, we are going to go on to the X5 outside here. Now first thing you want to do is open up your trunk. And more than likely you'll have to open up this hatch that's at the bottom of it. Some of the sedans do have it on the side, but you'll pull out this little metal piece, and this is going to be your tow hook. Quite hefty, but we do get this question quite often of what this little square is at the front or back of the car, and I just want to show you that you can actually pop it out. And if you're ever in a situation that you get the car stuck, you can slide this in and tighten it, and then you'll be able to either tow a different car out of a ditch or get yourself out of one by somebody else pulling you. And all you do is just screw it back out, pull it out of the hole, and you can just slide this back into place, and it's like it was never even there. Thanks for watching today. I hope you have a great day.